Sorting and filtering in Excel 2019. Sorting and filtering are essential functions in Excel that allow you to organize and analyze your data effectively. You can also apply formatting on the text in cells on the basis of some conditions. Learning objectives. Sorting in Excel. Filtering data. Conditional formatting. Sorting in Excel. Sorting data in Excel is a fundamental operation that allows you to arrange rows of data in a specific order, ascending or descending, based on the values in one or more columns. It allows you to arrange data in an increasing or ascending alphanumerical manner, i.e. from 0 to 9 or A to Z, or in a decreasing or descending alphanumeric manner, i.e. from 9 to 0 or Z to A manner. To sort the data in alphabetical order, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the column or a range of data you want to sort. Step 2. Click on the Data tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the Sort A to Z button for sorting data in ascending order or Sort Z to A button for sorting data in descending order in the Sort and Filter group. Click on the Data tab. Select the range of cell to be sorted. Click one of these buttons. Selecting the data for sorting. The data gets sorted as per the selected button. Data sorted in ascending order. Data sorted in descending order. Important note: when you select a column which contains numeric data, then the Sort A to Z option changes to Sort smallest to largest, and Sort Z to A option changes to Sort largest to smallest. Do it yourself. Interdisciplinary mathematics. Enter the following data in the worksheet and sort it in ascending and descending order. Follow the same steps as discussed earlier. Filtering data. Just like the sorting feature, Excel also provides a filtering feature which allows you to filter your data in a spreadsheet on the basis of some conditions. By using the filtering option, you can display some specific data in your spreadsheet while hiding the rest. Consider the following worksheet, sample worksheet. Bonus content, subject enrichment. The only difference between sorting and filtering is that while sorting, you rearrange the data as per your preference, whereas while filtering you momentarily hide the data you do not want to appear in your spreadsheet. To filter and display the data of only selected quarters, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the column quarter, i.e., the one of which you want to filter the data. Step 2. Click the Filter button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. A drop-down arrow will appear next to every column in the same row. Click the Filter button. Click inside this column. Applying filter. Step 3. Click the drop-down arrow on the quarter column and unselect the checkboxes next to the options second and third. Now, only the data of first and fourth quarter will be shown. Uncheck the checkbox. Click OK. Unchecking the second and third options. Worksheet after applying filter. Step 4. Click the OK button. A filter icon will appear next to the column name in place of the drop-down menu arrow. Removing the filters. To remove the filters that you have applied on your data, follow any of these steps. Click the Clear button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. Click the filter icon next to the quarter column and select Clear Filter from Quarter option from the drop-down list. Clear Filter from Quarter option. Important note: when you remove filtering from your data, the drop-down menu arrow remains in the same place. It does not go away until you click the Filter button again. Custom filtering. Custom filtering in Excel allows you to filter data based on specific criteria that you define. This feature provides more flexibility than standard filters by allowing you to create custom conditions for filtering data. Suppose you want to display only those items which have sale greater than or equal to 100. To do this, follow these steps. Step 1. click the drop-down menu arrow next to the Sale column. Step 2. Select the Number Filters option in the menu and choose the greater than or equal to option from the submenu. The Custom Auto Filter dialog box appears. Greater than or equal to filter. Custom Auto Filter dialog box. Step 3. Enter 100 in the text box and click the OK button. The details of only those items with sale greater than or equal to 100 will appear. Custom filtering applied. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to format cells based on certain conditions or criteria. This feature helps you to visually highlight important information in your spreadsheet, making it easier to analyze and understand the data. Conditional formatting provides different options to set the format of cells. These options are given below. Highlight cells rules. This option highlights only those cells which satisfy the given condition. Top/bottom rules. This option highlights the cells containing top 10 items, top 10% values, bottom 10 items, bottom 10% values, above average values or below average values. Data bars. This option highlights the cells by placing colored bars beside the values. The size of bar indicates the value in a cell. The higher the cell value, the longer will be the bar. Color scales. This option highlights the cells by applying a color gradient to the cell values. The color in each cell indicates where each cell value falls within that range. You can choose either a 2-color or a 3-color scheme. Icon sets. This option organizes the data into 3 to 5 categories by using a set of 3 to 5 icons, respectively. Each icon represents a specific range of values. Suppose you want to highlight only those cells with sale less than 100. To do this, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the range of cells you want to format according to the condition. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting button in the Styles group. A drop-down menu will appear. Less than option in the conditional format. Step 3. Point at the Highlight Cells Rules option in the menu and then choose the less than option from the submenu that appears. The less than dialog box appears. Step 4. Enter 100 in the Format cells that are less than text box and select the formatting option as per your preference. Step 5. Click OK. The cells with sale less than 100 will be formatted accordingly. Less than dialog box. Conditional formatting applied. Bonus content, subject enrichment. You can also define your own rule for highlighting cells by click the New Rule option in the Conditional Formatting drop-down menu. If you want to remove conditional formatting from a range of cells, select the cells and choose Clear Rules from the Conditional Formatting drop-down menu. Do it yourself. Interdisciplinary, mathematics. In the following worksheet, highlight the marks which are greater than 40. Roll no. Marks 1. 34. 2. 45. 3. 43. 4. 39. 5. 42. 6. 47. For the teacher. Introduce the concept of sorting and filtering in Excel and explain their relevance in managing data effectively. Show how to filter data based on specific criteria. Provide students with the sample worksheet and instruct them students to practice sorting and filtering the data according to various criteria. Explain how they can apply custom filtering and conditional formatting on their data. Let us revise. Sorting data in Excel is a fundamental operation that allows you to arrange rows of data in a specific order, ascending or descending, based on the values in one or more columns. Excel also provides a filtering feature which allows you to filter your data in a spreadsheet on the basis of some conditions. Custom filtering in Excel allows you to filter data based on specific criteria that you define. Conditional formatting in Excel helps you to visually highlight important information in your spreadsheet, making it easier to analyze and understand the data.